What's the meaning of Cold War? Cold War. Cold War.
Cold War. Cold War. The term Cold War refers to a state of political tension and military rivalry that existed primarily between the United States and the Soviet Union from the end of World War II until the late 1980s. The two superpowers engaged in an arms race, propaganda campaigns, and proxy wars, but they never directly confronted each other in large-scale military conflict. The Cold War resulted in significant geopolitical shifts, including the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, the creation of new alliances such as NATO and the Warsaw Pact, and increased global tensions that lasted for decades.